Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Niladri Mukherjee. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. I practice here in Guelph, Ontario. So two pieces of information that I'm going to share with you. The first is a sort of good news as far as everybody in this whole, in this whole immigration sphere is concerned. And that is the processing time is getting better. The processing time is getting better for work permit applications from outside Canada. The processing time has definitely got better for visit visa applications from outside Canada. The processing time has definitely gone way better for study permit applications, STS category specifically for obviously outside Canada candidates. Now, how better that is, or how sooner can you expect your study or visit visa or work permit applications to get approved? There is no such definite time frame because obviously it varies from case to case. But I can share one or two practical examples with you. I have got visit visa acceptance for a couple in as little as 7 days. That couple is from India and they're planning to visit Canada. So that application approval we have received in a 7 days kind of a processing time, and I mean 7 business days, which is amazing, which is probably the fastest approval rate that I have seen in the recent past, maybe in a year or two. The second case I could talk to you about is a study visa case wherein I have received an approval within like 2.5 to 3 weeks kind of a time. Now, mind you, as I have said it before, the acceptance rate or a rejection rate really depends on how strong or the well-made the application is. If you're able to submit a very strong, a very kind of solid kind of an application, then the officers are only concerned about ticking the right boxes rather than thinking, this application is not abiding by that particular rule, this application is not abiding by this particular rule. So try to make a perfect, a foolproof, a solid application in your first time that you're submitting an application. Obviously, if it's a reapplication, make it that much stronger. A stronger application, as I have said it before, is definitely going to impact the processing time. This is something that I have experienced in my personal cases, so just thought to share with you. So that is the first part, that the processing time is going better, but I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Hopefully it remains that way or gets even better. The second part is a sort of a government information, and that the RCIC has finally launched an application tracking portal for the spousal sponsorship application and for the dependent child's application. So if you're sponsoring your child or your spouse, you could now track those application progress online. This is a huge step, personally for me, who strongly believes that whenever I submit an application, be it as a representative or when I am a client as well, I do have the right to know exactly which stage the application is. Honestly speaking, immigration department is probably one such department of the government of Canada which is opaque, which is definitely not transparent in my personal opinion as far as the communication goes. It always seems like we are communicating in a one-sided manner and not getting much response. So this is an amazing step in my opinion, that at least for some applications we will not be able to track the progress in real time. And from my personal experience of dealing with various departments of government of Canada, I can tell you that their whatever system that these guys have built up so far are good. So when they say that you are able to track the applications, you will actually be able to track the applications real time. I'm sure it's a beta version of the system. The system would get better, would get even better from this time. But hey, at least we have something. And I'm pretty much optimistic that, some kind of application tracking systems would now be there, or at least soon to be implemented for other categories as well. Two pieces of good news, to me at least, these are the very good news that I thought to share with you. If you need my professional assistance with your immigration or your study permit or even visit visa to Canada, kindly send me an email at contact@nuvonation.ca and I shall be more than happy to work with you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.